What is up, guys? Patty Rich's Kicks here, back at it for another unboxing, and of course this is a lot bigger package than I expected, but of course we have the Adidas logo, which you already know what that means. We have the Bape sleeves in here, BapeXAdidas sleeves. Oh, that's conveniently packaged. So right here we have the BapeXAdidas sleeves. Take this out. So yeah, here they are. They're pretty really nice. I love that American flag Bape logo. Again, I waited. When these dropped, I went to Adidas because they were still in stock in a small and a large, extra large, and I went for the small. But yeah, I ended up waiting in the line for this for, I think, over half an hour, which I was incredibly lucky when I got these. But yeah, for some sleeves. Not really much about this. Just the Bape and Adidas logo. Really good, like, soft quality. And overall, great pickup. I'm really happy I got this. Something light. You know, something cool that I can have. And really happy that I came through on these. I don't really know what else to say about these, so it's a really quick video, but I wanted to show you guys that. I want to say thank you all for watching, and I'm out.